Hi, and welcome to another video by Symbology Enterprises Barcode Duplicator. Today we're showing you a new color printer, the Canon LX P1300. It is a 2-inch dye sub or pigment-based printer. The pigment-based would be used in applications where the label has to be steadfast, for product labeling or GHS labeling. Some of the other applications would be product labeling like a sandwich shop, where you need to have all the ingredients on the label to give your item some pop. Another solution would be shelf labeling, or any kind of labeling where that little bit of color is going to make the sale for you. This Canon printer is fully Windows compatible and will work with any Windows compatible program. In this particular case, we're using Bartender, and it's a what you see is what you get printout. Whatever's on the screen is what's going to print on the label. So the labels are stored in this shuttle that comes out the front of the printer. You lift up this tab. Here's your label storage. It goes onto this reel with the gears on it. You're going to drop that down into place in the printer. There's a paper guide. So once you got your label in here and you want to set it for a specific size label, this outside guide tells you how wide your label is going to be, keeps it straight while printing. It simply slides in or out to whatever size label you need. You obviously want it to be touching but not crushing the label. And then you just close it up and that's ready to go. Another thing that's in this compartment is the maintenance box to capture the excess ink. This is a replaceable part, a consumable that you would have to get along with the ink. It goes right back in. The inks are stored in the top compartment here on the side. This door opens up and you have your 4 inks, the 3 colors, and black. To replace the cartridge, you simply release it, pull it out. You're going to get a new cartridge, drop it right back in, click it into place, and we're ready to go. This particular label was created by Symbology Enterprises for a customer who had small sample bottles but needed to put lots of information on it. They had GHS information and hazardous material warnings and that kind of stuff. And here we can wrap the entire label around the sample bottle. But when it comes to reading the entire label, it simply peels back to give you all the information.